want to challenge me? You dare challenge me. This is the meaning of my face paint. It is used in the cooler trade, which I will explain later. Firstly, I would like to say that I'm not doing a dance or singing. My talent is from here, and I'm going to use it to speak and tell you about Papua New Guinea. I would first of all like to say that the Samoans and the Papua New Guineans have a strong bond. When my country was in the early stages of Western civilization, the Samoan missionaries were sent to Papua New Guinea to teach the word of the truth to the savages. I would like to explain the beauty of simplicity. Where I am from, simplicity is beauty. This necklace that I am wearing is used for very special occasions and also for trade. It has very great value in my country. We call them kua, which means necklace. And these necklaces are used in the kula trade, where men show their strength, their power, and their status. The best way to explain it is it's like a game of chess, but you can die. It's, I suppose, like the Samoans, they use their tattoos, to show strength. Is that right? Yes? That's how the men show their strength. The cooler trade it'll take hours and hours for me to explain it. But men go for a very long time and trade through different islands. And that is why we use face paint, because the men come up to a village and they scream and they shout and they go, "Look at this beautiful piece of jewellery, it's worth so much." And the man in the village will laugh. Ha 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 ha. That's not worth anything. And they will use black magic and they will use God's magic and whatever they believe in. But it's worth about $5,000. So if you were a man, wouldn't you like to go into the cooler trade for $5,000? Yes. This small necklace here is what we always wear. It's just everybody. It's the sign of the Trobriand Islands where I'm from. The grass skirt is very special occasions, and as you know, where we are from, red, well, you might not know, but red is the colour of love, life and happiness. And that is why red is used a lot. I don't want to go too much into this sort of detail because it'll take a long time, but I would just like to say that I would like to thank you all very much for making me welcome in this beautiful country of yours. Thank you.
Miss Papua New Guinea.